Standard 9, Subject English, Composition, Expansion of Idea, a rolling stone gathers no moss. It is a matter of common knowledge that a stone that has been lying long in one place, exposed to rain and sun, gathers moss, while rolling stone gathers no moss. In the same way, whoever works with steadiness and perseverance in one place is likely to gather experience and prosper his life better and best, while one who is getting easily discontent always moves from one place to another or changes his occupation, stands to lose and proves a failure in life. In first places, he loses his friends, his good name, and influence he gained and deprives himself of the benefits of service and experience. He finds it a uphill task to establish himself half so as well as new place or in the new employment. Maxim lays emphasis on benefits of steadiness and patience. So, when one is sure and change will be advantageous, it is worth effecting the change. There are instances to show that such changes enables man to make his fortune better. Why a stone should wander together moss, it is hard to say, but this is a very old proverb because it is always changing. The occupations, pursuits never settles down but steady to anything. They are fickle minded, unreliable persons, make but little out of life. No doubt there is a great deal of truth in this. In these days of keen business, competition, and specialization, a man must choose a trade of profession and stick to steady application and hard work at one job is essential. A man starts one kind of business and getting tired of it, tries another, and then gives that up for the third. Cannot hope to get on in constantly. So he cannot expect to produce any satisfactory results by his non consistent efforts. He who hunts two hares loses both. This typical rolling stone is a man who never keeps any situation in his trade or profession long. When you get an application from him and find that he has many posts but for not short periods, so you can just say that he is no good. Such men seem to have restless nature and are not capable of settling down anywhere. Thank you.